I was teaching in service one night, and the Lord opened my eyes, and I saw a young man. And I said, young man, God said I should warn you. You are having sex with a married woman. Run before Satan destroys you. I waited. The brother came later and spoke with me, came to my office, saw me, and told me all his escapades with this married woman. You are here sleeping with another man's wife. You are a dead man already. You are dead. A demon has already swallowed your destiny. You are a walking corpse. You are here as a young lady. You have made it your career. You even have a complimentary card. Your name is on the complimentary card. Sexy Catherine of God. You are a demon. You put it on your business card. Your specialty is sleeping with other people's husband. If you are a lonely husband, call me on 2455. You are a demon. Then you wear dress and go and dance in church. It's not you that is dancing. A demon has possessed your vessel. You think you have life. You don't have life. Oh, a demon is living his carnal lust through your vessel. That's why no matter how many people you sleep with, you are never sexually satisfied, because demons have large appetites. You can't satisfy the demon.